Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Johnson and I'm here to give you this bronzy makeup look. I absolutely love this look. It is simple and it was inspired by my hair and my top, and I really love this look. I hope you'll be able to create it as well. Stay tuned. It's really good to be back, and how have you guys been with this whole COVID-19 issue? I pray that it goes and we all give our hearts to Jesus and know him more. So starting off with my brows using Eversheen pencil. I'm using it to outline my brows and also creating some feathery strokes, to fill in my brows, and moving to my LA Girl concealer to define my brows as well. I'm using it for the lower parts, and then I'm using my foundation in Maybelline, for the part that I want to match with my skin tone, and I'm also using it for the upper part of my brows as well. Next, I'll be using the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered Palette. I'm using that brownish eyeshadow. It is matching my skin, and I'm using it as a transition color. And then I'll be moving to this darker brown. It has like a tint of orange or red in it. And I'm just using it to, create a further brighter color for my transition. And then I'm using this bronzy eyeshadow. It kind of looks like it is gold, but it is bronze, but it's not really yellowish gold. And I really love how soft this eyeshadow is. The pigmentation is awesome and it just melts on my eyelids easily. And then I'm using my powder from Sacha Butter on my brow bone to soften it, and then moving to my LA Girl liquid eyeliner. I'm using it to line my eyes and also for the inner corner of my eyes as well. So I'm lining the second one, as you can see, and I really hope that you got a grip of it. I'm using mascara by Mabro to brush on my lashes. I'm also using my Maybelline foundation in Coconut 355, and I'm just going to apply that all over my face to make sure that I have a flawless finish on my face, because I have some pigmentations all over my face which I intend to clear later on. I'm very skeptical about using funny products, but with time I'll be able to update my skincare. So I'm using my LA Girl concealer right now on my face, and I'm using it for the highlighted areas. Under my eyes, on my forehead, my cupid bowl, my nose, and my chin. Then I'm using my Sacha Butter cosmetic powder on my face in the areas that I highlighted to mattify it. And I'm also using my Milani powder. I'm rubbing it all over my face on the areas that I haven't really applied powder. And then I'm using my CoverGirl powder. It is a bronze powder, and I'm applying it to scrub my face and give it some definition. I'm also using my e.l.f. Cosmetics eyeliner in Apricot. I really love the finish. You can see that I'm so excited. It's really popping. I'm also using my classic blush. It's a Nigerian brand, and I love the color. It's very rosy. And I'm also using my Rimmel to mattify my face. And then I'm using my secret eye pencil to finish up my eyes. Just want to make sure that your eyes are absolutely finished, so do not forget to line your eyes. And then I'm also applying that brown that I applied earlier for my transition under my eyes as well. Next is my lashes, false lashes. Every girl loves. So I'm using my Zion lipstick in Cupertino. I love this brown lipstick pencil or lip pencil. So I'm using this lip pencil by Zaron in Cupertino to line my lips, and then then I'll be moving to Colourpop lipstick in Tansy. I love the brown finish. It has like a hint of orange to it. And then I'm going to top it with my Zara lipstick in Blondie. And you know, this look is absolutely awesome. Can't you see, guys? Like, seriously, don't you just love the outcome? It's so simple. It is very easy to do. You girls can do this and knock it off any time. The timing is quite short. It doesn't take forever to do this, and I'm super excited. I love you guys so much. Thank you. Stay tuned for more. Please comment down below and subscribe, and don't forget that God loves you and I love you too. Bye.
The Stockholm lights.